Hello, welcome to Maths class. Today let us have some problems based on properties of quadrilaterals. Already you have learnt few problems based on special types of quadrilaterals, and today we are going to learn some more. Your first one is ABCD is a rectangle where diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. Prove that triangles AOB and COD are congruent. When we read the question like this, we won't understand. These kind of questions, we have to draw the figure so that we will be able to understand well. ABCD is a rectangle. Let me draw a figure. ABCD is a rectangle. Where diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. AC is a diagonal, BD is another diagonal, they are intersecting at O. Okay? If it is so, prove that triangles AOB and triangles COD are congruent. We have to prove that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. So any proof question, if you want to do, first write what is given, what to prove, how to prove. Okay? So the given step is what is given in the form of statements we can write. That is ABCD is a rectangle given, and also it is given that diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. Okay? What is given I have written in the given step. Now, what we have to prove, that one in the step 2 prove. Triangles AOB and COD are congruent. Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. This is the side for congruent. Now comes the proof step. Okay? If there is any extra construction, we have to write in construction step, but in this particular question no extra construction is there, so that step is not there. Now proof. How to prove that these two are congruent? Already you have learnt what are the criteria or conditions of congruency. There are 4 criteria: SSS, AAS or ASA, other one is SAS. Okay, and the other one is, fourth one is RHS criteria. So let us see under what condition we are able to prove this and how to prove it. In these two triangles we know that these two sides are equal, and also in a rectangle the diagonals are equal. So OA is equal to OC. The diagonals are equal and also they bisect each other. So if AC is equal to BD, AC by 2 is equal to BD by 2. So we can say OA equal to OC, OB equal to OD. All these are equal actually because AC is equal to BD. So under SSS condition, we can prove that these triangles are congruent. So how to do? Let me show you. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, AB is equal to CD, that is AB equal to CD, they are the opposite sides of a rectangle. Okay, and OA is equal to OC because AC is equal to BD, AC by 2 is equal to BD by 2, and also because of the same reason OB is equal to OD. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD under SSS condition. And we have to, the question is, we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent, and that is proved, and always give the reasons within brackets. And here why these two are congruent, because of this condition, that too we have to mention. Okay, so this is proved. What is asked, that is proved. Okay, now let us have one more problem. So your second question is The lengths of the two diagonals of the rhombus are 6 cm and 8 cm respectively. What is the length of each side? So let me draw the figure. Rhombus. Let me name it as PQRS. The two diagonals are given as 6 cm. Let us take QS as 6 cm. PR is 8 cm. Let them intersect at O. If it is so, what is the length of each side we have to find out? We know that in a rhombus, all the sides are equal. So it is given that solution PQRS is a rhombus. Okay? Therefore, PQ is equal to QR is equal to RS is equal to PS. That is what we have to find. Find the length of each side asked. So the side of the rhombus we have to find out. QS is equal to 6 cm. That implies QO or OS will be equal to 6 by 2, that is 3 cm. Because in a rhombus the diagonals bisect each other. Same way, PR is equal to 8 cm. So QO taken. Let me take as PO is equal to 8 by 2, that is 4 cm. And we know that in a rhombus, the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. So now POQ is a right angle triangle. POQ is a right angle triangle. And you know that in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. That is our Pythagoras theorem. So in right angle triangle, PQ square is equal to PO square plus QO square. PO we got 4 cm square, QO we got 3 cm square. Or PQ square is equal to 16 plus 9, that is 25. Or PQ is equal to square root of 25, that is 5 cm. So what is PQ? PQ is the side of the rhombus. What is the length of each side? Therefore, length of each side is 5 cm. We can write, therefore, length of each side is 5 cm. Okay? I hope this is clear to you. So today one proof question and one solution problem, how to find the side of the rhombus. I have explained you. Please go through. You will be able to do well. Thank you.